Hi guys, let's do a quick review on the Seraport 104 pieces shelf pins. This is for shelves, cabinets, bookshelves, and anything in between. So it comes 104 pieces and they have four main different types that come within the pack, and you're gonna see them as I pull them out over here. Those are the four types you're gonna see. So you have this one where you can even drill something to hold through, or this one which is half and half, a full peg like this one, or this one with a straight edge. We really needed to update our like little pegs on our kitchen and our laundry room, so we got this one so it'll look nice and sleek and clean, and we were amazed for how many we got. These are amazing. These fit so nicely into the little already pre-drilled holes, and I recommend you guys get some. It just gives a better look than the old rusty ones that we had, so I hope you guys can feel the same way and get yourself some of these too.